So if you follow my channel, you know I had a motorcycle. Well, maybe many of you think I still have the motorcycle, but I sold her back in September. It was a tough decision, but I drank the Kool-Aid and I got a golf cart, and I'm going to show her to you now. I'll tell you a couple things. So there's several ways for you to buy golf carts here. You can go purchase brand new from any of the golf cart stores. You can purchase it with the home, like say if you're getting a home turnkey, golf cart might come with it. Facebook Marketplace has many, 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 many carts for sale, and you'll see them out on people's yards for sale. I chose Facebook Marketplace, and I think I got a really good deal. I'm going to show you and take a look around her. This is a 2019 Yamaha Quiet Tech. It's gas, and I paid $6,800 for it. The gentleman that I purchased it from had kept it in pristine condition and just had it serviced, belts, oil, tires, all kinds of things updated, not updated to it, but taken care of for it. So it was almost like it was brand new, and it serves my needs. I did not want to spend $12,000 or $20,000 on a brand new golf cart because I still don't use it that much. And she's really pretty. It has seat belts. I'll show you here. And then I want to show you Robbie from Cart Medic hooked me up. And I have a CarPlay display and killer speakers. And I actually have new side mirrors with the blinker in them because I have a hard time remembering to turn my blinker off. So let's take a look around her, and then I want to show you what Robbie did to suit my cart up. If you're new, I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell, or you need advice, let me know on houses. My number's up here. Reach out. I'll be happy to help you. All right, let's go take a look around. I think I'm going to call her Bad Medicine because I'm a Bon Jovi fan. And I called my car Lady Freedom. But anyway, let's take a look around. All right, so it's just a quick view because I do have a closing where I go through the whole cart. But to show you, it has the foldable seat in the back folds down, because I didn't want just the two seats because I really don't golf, and I really want it for when the kids come. But I love that this will, some of these things are hard to get when you're doing it with one hand. There you go. That was a two-handed job. And it has cup holders and an armrest. It came with back bucket seats. This one got pulled. Robbie's going to fix that for me. Some of them will just have the cheap where you slide it in, but that's an actual seat belt, which I like. And there is a little storage there underneath. And it does have roll downs. So if, you know, when it starts to rain, I can drop them. But I think she's pretty sweet. I mean, I fell in love. It was black and purple's my color. It does light up here at night when I turn the lights on. And with this new system that Robbie put in, I do have backup lights. So let's see if you can see it. Turn it around. Look how friendly that is. All right, so we're gonna back up. You can see it. Yeah, it's hard because there's a little bit of light glare. But also, for you short ladies out there, this is an attachment. It was $50. I got it at the golf cart store. Put it over the gas pedal because, honestly, I can't reach it. And at least I can try to sit back a little bit. And this just has bucket seats here. All right, so now I want to show you this installation, and I can rock out to some music. Now I can't play the music because I got copyright issues, but you'll at least get to see and what Robbie has to offer, and give him a call. If you're interested in having any accessories put on your golf cart, Robbie from Cart Medic comes to your house, takes care of you. Thanks again, Robbie. I do appreciate you coming over and help me out and making sure I don't kill myself with the blinker on all the time. All right, let's show you the renovation. All right, so here is the finished product. Like right now, I'm in the parking lot, Foxtail Coffee. Took a break from editing. I got a large matcha latte with a pistachio foam. You know, I love pistachio. And I got 2 shots in it. I don't know if the 2 shots are gonna do anything, but I do wanna show you, that is the sound bar. All installed. I'm super happy with it. I can blast my Bon Jovi while I'm driving, and I'm gonna turn the cart on. You heard that chime. And I have this is the CarPlay video screen, which is super cool. Could put my Waze in there, my music. I can actually, he showed me a way, I forget how to do it, but if I want, I could put some YouTube videos on and they could play while we're driving. Kids will love that. The most important thing is the mirrors, and they have, can you see that? Yeah, because I always forget to turn them off on both sides. And what I did was, if so normally these were up here, but it was right in my line of sight because this is where I'm sitting. So I had Robbie move them down here for me. Well, the chief actually originally moved them down there, but when they put the new ones on, they moved them down there, and it's so much easier for me to see. I'm so happy with all of this. That though is a game changer. I still keep my phone in the charger because I have nowhere else to put it. But I did, in the old, before I had where that soundbar was, there was a shelf. So now what we're gonna do is put the shelf up here and change out that rear view mirror into something different. But let's listen to the sound. And it is touchscreen. Here it comes. There it goes, you hear it? All right, I gotta stop it because I'll get copyright. But there is a changer. This comes with an instruction manual, which I won't read, and this little nifty thing, so I can change the volume. And of course, I have my Robyn approved golf kitchen. Sweet. All right, 1.5 car garage. I have a patio villa, and you see how my Jeep and the golf cart fit. I'm actually having my garage redone, and I'm going to do a whole video series on that. But the only thing with this 1.5 car garage, see my freezers there? I can't open the freezer door with the golf cart in it, so I have to back the golf cart out, which is not that big of a deal. I don't go in there all that much, but I had to put my meatballs that I made for Easter in there. So it was a good time to finish this video. But you can see there's plenty of room in there. So that's it for my new golf cart. I'm gonna name her, I think I said I'm gonna name her Bad Medicine. And I'll put my Robyn approved sticker on here somewhere when I get around to it. I am really happy with the golf cart, how it came out. I definitely want to get Cart Medic a call. Robbie was great to work with, and I'm super happy how everything turned out. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the Villages, Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell, give me a call. All right, I'm going to have my little coffee drink back home so I can finish editing the next video coming to you. I'll see you next time. Are you having fun driving? Watch the road. Watch the road.
I'm having fun. Maybe you need to watch too because
I'm watching.
Because you need to stop too.
All right, say I successfully drove.
I
Bye.
successfully
Push the
drove.
button.